This video explains how to count unique values by groups in a pandas DataFrame using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the pandas library, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we also need to create an example data frame using the DataFrame constructor. So after running these lines of code, a new data frame called data is created, and we can print this data frame below the code box using the print function. And then you can see that our example data frame contains 9 rows and 2 columns, whereby the first column is called values and the second column is called groups. And as you might already know based on the column names, we will count the unique values by the groups in our groups column. So in order to do that, we can use the groupby and nunique functions, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code, I'm first specifying the name of our data frame. So in this case, our data frame is called data. Then I'm using the groupby function, and within this function I need to specify the column name in which our groups are contained. And then I need to specify the column based on which I want to count unique values, and then I need to apply the nunique function to this column. In this case, I'm also storing the output of this in a new data object that I'm calling countUnique, and then I'm printing this data object below the code box using the print function. So after running these lines of code, you can see that a new output is returned, which shows the unique values by groups. So for instance, the group A contains 3 different unique cases. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.